Hola, buenas tardes. So we just got into our Airbnb here in Cartagena, and look at the view from our place. It's the ocean. But yeah, look at it. It comes with a jacuzzi here, seating area here. This is like the dining room, kitchen area, and then up there's a couple of single beds up there. The bathroom and our bedroom. So it's a cute place, and there's a little patio here too. I mean, you can tell it's a bit run down a bit. A little bit, but I mean, it is what it is. This is what we find with a lot of tropical places. A lot of places aren't sort of maintained over the years. So anyhow, I mean, we're not going to be here all the time. We're actually going to be exploring quite a bit of this old town of Cartagena. We are going to get showered and then walk around and grab some food and bring some groceries back, since we are here for what is it, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So 5 days, 4 nights, because we take off this Friday, February 9th. We'll be heading off to Buenos Aires. So enjoy videos of Cartagena, and hopefully this little video will show you sort of the beauty of this old town. So I can't wait to see it. I know Kyle's been here before, so he'll be more of a bit of a tour guide for me. Anyhow, we'll see you guys later. Hola, buenas noches. So we just arrived into Cartagena. This is the central, the old town.
Yeah, we're in the walled city area, the old district.
So this is day, well, half-ish of our first part of our trip here in Cartagena, and tomorrow I think we'll kind of walk around during the day, but it's going to be really hot during the day here. It gets up to almost 38, 40 degrees here, plus humidity, so it is quite warm. But we'll check it out and see what we can with making out with the temperature and how hot it is. And we can't wait to show you guys what this whole area is about. Okay, bye guys. Hola. So today is day 2 of our time here in Cartagena, and Kyle, what are we going to be doing today?
We're going to go do a walking tour. We got one of those free walking tours that you tip at the end. So we're first going to check out the old walled area, get the history of that, and then we're going to go outside the walls to a neighborhood called Getsemani, which is a bohemian neighborhood. So murals, too many restaurants, and that's where a lot of hostels are, and so we're going to go check that out. So we can get food there after the tour as well.
Yeah, and we'll put the app down below the video of what you where you can download the app, and it basically gives you like places or areas where you can get a free walking tour in any place that you visit. All right, so check out what we discover on this walking tour. Okay, bye guys.
so special.
So Kyle, what are we having?
We're having a shot of seaweed, fermented seaweed, and pineapple juice, fermented pineapple juice.
And then what's after?
Coriander, onions, and cilantro. Let's see how it tastes. Strong. Good. Good though.
Fuerte?
Fuerte. Muy fuerte.